Hi, I'm Simon with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to show you how to repair your appliance. Are you ready? Remember, anytime you work on your appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the igniter mounting clip in a Thermador range. It's going to be a very easy repair. Should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. For this job, we're going to need a flat blade screwdriver and a 13/16 socket wrench. When you open up the package, you're going to get a new igniter mounting clip. The igniter mounting clip locks the igniter plug assembly in place, keeping the distance between the top of the burner and top of the igniter plug constant as designed. If the ignition plug moves up and down, causing the burner not to light up, it's time to replace the igniter mounting clip. We need to remove both grates. Just lift them off and put them somewhere out of the way. Next, we're going to remove the burning caps. Simply lift them off. Now we need to remove these 4 nuts that holds the bases. I'm going to use a 13/16 wrench, socket wrench, and I'm going to turn it counterclockwise. We got lucky because a lot of times these nuts won't go out that easily. So we normally would use the blowtorch, or in some cases we even need to file down the top completely so we can remove the burner. And now we're going to remove all 4 burner bases by just lifting them up. We're going to place a towel on the rear panel to protect it from scratching. I'm going to pull forward the cooktop to unlock it, and then we're going to lift it slowly, make sure that those wires are long enough, and we're going to place it on that towel so we can work on the side. To remove the igniter mounting clip, we need to use the flat blade screwdriver, and I'm going to put it into its slot here and pry the clip out. This is the old igniter mounting clip next to the new one. If you don't have this part, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. So I'm going to push the igniter plug assembly from outside and hold it while I'm going to slide the new mounting clip on. I'm going to use a flat blade screwdriver. I'm going to help slide it in. Just like that. Put it down and slide it back. We can remove the towel now. Next, we're going to reinstall the 4 burner bases. As you can see, the 2 pins are not symmetrical, so one is closer to the edge and it goes towards the igniter. We're going to place the rest of the bases the same way. And now we're going to install a Venturi nut. And now we're going to tighten them with a 13/16 socket wrench. And now we're going to place the burners back on, the 2 larger one and 2 smaller one. So this little piece goes into the notch and it locks in. Now we're going to replace the grates. And now when we're done, you can plug the wrench back in. Thank you for being a part of another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. For any of your future appliance repair projects, please check out our other videos available on our site, on Facebook, on YouTube, and on Instagram.